Good day traders, it's Jason from SureshotFX. Today I have another exciting forecast for you as we focus on the NAS100 and look ahead to the upcoming week. But first, quickly recap what happened last week to better understand what's coming next in the NAS100 market. If you look at last week's structure, we're expecting that market may continue its bearish momentum last week. But what happened last week that the market did a change of character at this point. As we can see here, this point was broken. And after that, market continuously created higher highs and higher lows. As you can see here, continuous breakup structure to the upwards. Now, what happened last Friday is that as the market was quite bullish, last Friday's high impact news caused NAS100 to change its character once again and make the market bearish again. So, what can we expect from this indices? As we can see here, market took the liquidity, gave us a little bit of reaction and again continuously went upwards. So this is the last point where the swing started. And with the high impact news, the market broke this structure point, causing the market to be bearish. And again, we saw that market took out this liquidity with the high impact news and it may continue its bearish momentum this week as well. So what can we expect from this NAS100 indices? As this Monday, we're seeing that market is a little bit of consolidating. We are expecting that market may directly fall from this point, or it may give us a false move week beginning. It may start the week with a false move, inducing traders to the upwards. Then it may fill up this 50% or 61.8% retracement level. And after that, we can look for some structure like this. Now, also, we have marked that this is our 1 hour strong swing points. So, if this strong swing point gets broken like this, let's say market do something like this, then we will look for point of interest at this discounted zone and then look for long setups. But till that happens, our bias will be bearish for the NAS100. So let's see how the market unfolds and let's see what market offers this week. So let's summarize our NAS100 forecast for this week. NAS100 bias is potentially bearish this week. Last week, NAS100 completely reversed from what we are expecting and formed a pullback from the high time frame bearish market flow. But last Friday and Thursday, NAS100 changes market momentum from bullish to bearish, as we can see here from this change of character, giving us a sign that it may continue its high time frame bearish momentum this week as well. Based on the current technical standpoint, I believe that NAS100 will also continue its downward momentum this week. Let's see how the market unfolds this week. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, forex trading carries risks, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is the key. That wraps up our NAS100 forecast for the upcoming week. Make sure to subscribe to SureshotFX for more valuable forex insights. Wishing you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today and I'll catch you in the next video.